Wait, engaging na, defend. West wall, ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit me na west, hit me west. Nice, come back, tell me gate ah.
Mana man.
Shaper.
Siguro. Sige lang.
Ready.
1 me, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit out. Hit the gate. Yes, come back now. Ready sa gate.
25.
Heal me. 25, okay, last engage, then we go. Okay. Hold in ah.
17.
Ready.
On me now, wait, bang. On me now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit me now. Hit the gate, nice scale, come back now. You go click gate 2. Click gate 2. Click gate 2.
Pasaga.
Click gate 2. You guys gonna hit west wall ah. So, demon, ready west wall guys.
Ready po, ready.
Wait, hold it. West wall ready. West wall, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 now. Hit the west wall. Hit it. Come back now. Come back, please, come back.
Binobok nila yung ano? Nagre-reposition sila?
Go
Ang dami
east
ng
naman.
Sparties.
Go east.
Andito, sa pinakang
Ilang
ano?
ilang percent? Get
Wala
away
ko, di ba
from
nila
wala.
binobok?
Get away from wala. Nakalok sa yung... Get away from wall, please. Ilang. Depth tank.
Ready.
Ready. Nice ba? Ay na, coming in na. Defend. Nice, defend. East wall. Ha? East wall, ready. 5.
Zoning, delta.
Okay lang, bullshit. Ready, east wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit na on the gate. Down. Hit. Come back now. Defensive, come back. Defend. Mamatay ako dito. Come back.
May ibon ba sila?
You guys gonna hit. Wait.
Ready.
Kung kayo sa east wall pumunta, latingin dyan yung bomb guys. Bomb.
50% pa, 50%
Ayun na.
pa.
Sige lang. May ma-engage na to, careful ah. Careful. Yung mga bomb to, dalawang bomb tsaka isang waiting gate. Yun lang yan. Ayun na, looking. Bomb stacking. Get away from wall. Kuro. Shit, heal Kuro please.
Rockstar.
On me now, east. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, now hit now, east. Huge. Nice kill. Click gate now.
May rockstar ako nakita.
Let away, dito. Ang tangahan mo, heal.
Kalaw.
Kaya, bang, si Bligger. Diyos ko, Bligger, ba't nga nandyan?
Uy, galing ah.
Ready.
Ready, on me now, north side. Wait, hold it. Ilan percent, sorry?
30.
20.
Dark side,
18 na.
Come back now. Nawalan tayo.
Kalaw bro.
Go east now, go east wall.
May mga nag-scout
East wall, careful, may bomb dyan ah. Looking yung bomb sa isa. Bam.
Shipper.
Papasagabok,
Go
mababa.
south. Sige lang, go south kayo guys. You guys gonna hit sa east wall ah. Ready, east wall. Wait, east wall.
Ano yun?
Ay, come back. East wall, ready, east wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 ah. East wall ah. Hit na, east wall. Come back inside ah. Come back inside. Heal me pra. Gawin nakalimutan dito. Mag-hit kayo dun sa chest. Right, may bomb. Ready, wait lang sa chest ah. Wait, hold it. Sa chest, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 now. Hit na. Come back. Wala na hole. Come back. Bomb looking ah. Defend. Puro.
Naki. Sige lang, pikirin ako.
Don't end. 5 minutes guys. Natin itong point. Ilang?
70.
Sa gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit na gate. Gate. Come back, CD. Don't let them walk. Ready?
Charging na yung pam ah.
Sige lang, nice. Ready?
Hit na.
Ready. Ready. Sa gate.
Ready.
Wait, I'm gonna fake first.
Pwede kayo tulak sa ito kayo mga yan.
Ready, the gate, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, head. Hit the gate, shoot.
Nice.
Nice hit. D1, shaper. Yo. CD, tell me na ready.
Ready.
Hit na bomb.
Nag-engage siya sa akin, Pok.
Sige lang, right.
May natulog ko sa'yo.
Dalawang, sige lang. Ready, on the gate, 5, 4,
28% na lang.
Kita, no, yun, shoot. Nice hit, come back, ilang percent? Ay, nakaliw-kalad going in. Go.
20%.
Go south. Sige lang, dito tayo.
Kaya na sino, battle mo.
Kala ko kalyo-kalyo na yan dyan. Everyone, sige. Ito, basag na dito ha, east side ha.
Nice one.
Nice bomb, nice.
Just side.
Ready.
Go west wall.
West.
West wall.
Ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1 na west wall. Hit na. Come back now. Go come back pass now. Pass, wait. Come go inside. Ready, west wall again. CD pass, west wall again.
Ready.
Get my front. Ready, west wall now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 now. Hit na west. West. Ay, come back now. Come back.
Nice one. Grabe mo bomb natin.
CD pass. Go inside, CD pass. Bam. Press that.
Naman.
Ready, you guys gonna hit. Ay, wait. Hold it.
Wait.
Hold it.
1 minute.
Another blob coming in.
Anong kalad?
They're mounting up.
Bang, grabe yung
2
bang.
minutes.
Lagas.
May hold kayo?
Andito south. Nasa south sila. Bonking nasa south.
Anong sound?
Okay, go fair
Everyone,
Ayaw.
go.
I do see iron lines.
Sinisira nila, ah.
Sige lang.
Ayaw sila.
Handhold.
Ano to may blobs? May blobs taas.
Blob nga isa dyan. Everyone, hold. Tell me percent ng hit.
50, going down pass.
Meron
50, going down pass.
Hold it.
45 po. 45.
Wait, hold it. They gonna look at it. Looking na. Defend. Ready on me lang siya. 5. Tagay. 4, 3, 2, 1, head. Head. Putang ina. Nakakano pa. Come back. CD pass.
35.
35. Guys, ano kayo? Sa Northwest kayo. Dito kayo dadaan. Kung ano kung bato. 30.
West, nandun pa din.
Nag-southeast sila po.
Doon mo nila kung
Nag-engage siya sa akin.
saan? Anong block?
Southeast, same lang sila. Southeast.
Okay, wait, hold it. Okay, don't get close. Sibit, please. Healers. Abutin yung sibit.
Ano?
Engage siya yung sibit. Puta, heal sibit. Now, on me lang. Tagay, 5,
Boy ako.
4, 3,
Nagbubong sa north.
Come back. Nagbobok? Holy shit.
Oo.
Open ko na yung shit mo.
Ay, open mo na yung chest.
Open na. Nice one.
Okay na.
Nice one. Everyone, we mount up. We fight open.
Open ko na.
We mount up. Looted.
May tao. Madami tao. Nasa loob sila.
Hala north.
Sila. Wag.
Come south. May yung bomb ko ba may comms dito?
Meron
Dito.
Nakamat na kami.
Nakamat na kami po ka.
Come back, please dito. This one, sorry. Putang ina, hindi ko napansin yan. Come back.
Hindi kumalot man.
Mount up, shit. Mount up guys, mount up na dyan. Pag nainot, hindi kaya. Tayo na, mura lang yun. Everyone, come dito sa akin.
Naipit yung iba sa loob.
Sige mga labas.
Nakalabas naman niya ng block. Talaga ako.
Come to me, tayo na, inaano tayo pre,
Southeast kayo dumaan.
Pok, wala na ako pa frontline, Pok. Magpeperma ako, ah.
Sige lang. Come to me. How many DA pa rin ako? 8. I lost 2 guys, sorry guys.
Ano ako
Hindi na open.
Come southwest, come west.
May return na ako doon sa market natin.
Sabi mo pag mag-iit sila. Buksan yung mga OP natin.
Wala na akong armor set. Okay na.
Yung nagpapatay na sila.
Wala na tayo OP.
Sayang, nasa 40M yun.
Legit ba?
Oo.
Malaki yung
Silver bag, nakuha niyo ba yung silver bag?
Nakuha ko.
Guys, na yan.
Kaya 9 pa ako.
na yata yun eh.
Pinainom ako.
Wag lahat.
Isa lang, isa lang.
Isa lang. One is enough. Everyone come to me, dismount on me. Everyone come to me.
Puntahan ko ah.
I need
Puntahan ko.
I need eyes on front. Tell me when what's happening.
Fighting us lang.
Tell me their backline. Dito.
sila ba sila ng castle?
Kunin
Bak,
nyo
try ko kunin. Yan, try ko kunin. Nakagalant ako.
Everyone dismount
Ito yung baka, ito yung back, ito yung back.
Everyone dismount on me. Ready. Tangin nyo. Come. Ready. On me now. 5, 2, 1. Hit me now. Come back down here. CD pass. CD.
North sila po. Going north. Ready. Backline to po. Backline.
Okay. Wait. Come back. Putang ina pre, mali yung call. Come back, downhill.
Meron ko pala dito.
Tignan ako mo sa sandwich, gago.
Galang, ikot ako.
Guys, come back. Come
Nakalot na pala ako ng 2M.
Sige lang, come back.
Airline list.
Manifest on our task.
Boots west. Pull out west. Then mount up. Huwag kayo kabahan. Mobs lang yan.
Malayo pa.
Mobs lang yan.
Bibigay na ulit yung dalawa.
Everyone, yan. Anong malaki sa kanila? Sino mas malaki sa kanila?
Dofi.
Malaki daw, yun. Ha?
Manifest level 20.
Okay, everyone. Then may fight daw.
OP level 10.
Come to me, dismount. Come to me, take west side. Dismount, ready?
Backline daw ano yung manifest.
Ready. Walk now.
Ready.
Walk. Sandwich na to.
Ready.
Walk now. Boots on me.
Tulong ako sa'yo.
Boots. East side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hit. East. Hit, but come back. You come back now. Using W this fucker. We're good. Walk now while CD. Walk. Well, CD walk.
Layo ng
Get
BTS,
ready.
Stick po, pwede po.
Walk.
Ready.
Going
Going southwest dito.
Tama pa sila.
Manifest southeast.
Wait lang. Come back, Northwest. Holy shit, pre, sabihin niya, dalawang front nilalabanan natin. Hello?
Konti ko.
Isa lang kinukulo niyo, pre. Yung backline lang ng front. Tunting na naman ako dun, dalawa na yun.
Yun, nagpagkaya niya.
Open hold na, pwede po.
Kill.
Check mo yun sa nakagatan mo.
Nakaka-receive.
Ano lang.
Come, you guys gonna hit off the wall. Ready. Fight.
Airline. East of airline.
Come northwest. Hindi pa rin pala to ng PB guys. Come northwest mo.
Lord to ano? Lord to airline.
Wait, they looking dopey. Come northwest more. Depth ang front. Huwag kayo
Navigation. Southeast po.
lang. Northwest. On me now, shallow.
Manifest southwest.
Come back. On me now, shallow, pre. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit now, shallow. Hit. On. Stop. Come back. Almost. Come back. Pills now. Keep going northwest. Northwest. Tell me when they coming, ah. Northwest more. Don't stop. Tell me. Hill sipit.
Tutulak ko pa. Sige. Sige.
Ready, kay sipit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 now. Hit kay sipit. Hit now. Yun. Nice kill. Come back now. Don't stop moving. Come back. Don't stop moving. Come back. Don't stop moving. Come back.
May blab sa likod ah.
Come back. Hindi tayo papasali. Keep going. Please don't stop moving.
Pitching up yung Dope Airlines.
Don't stop moving.
Natisisik, puro walang nagulot ng castle.
Nakuha ko na. Dinisi ko na, hindi ako makagalaw.
Okay. Sige.
Ready by the bend. Hakbol.
Pitching up pa rin.
By the bend. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 na. Hit by the bed, hit by the bed, hit by the bed. Now come back now, come back pass. Come back pass, come back.
Stop ko.
Come back pass. Oh, good. They hit now, they hit. Heal front, heal front, heal front. Heal front, heal front, heal front. Heal chicks. Heal chicks, heal chicks. Heal chicks, come back now. Keep going back, keep going back, keep going back.
Ready again, ready.
Kaya na naman lumit ang karakter ko. Oh my god.
Ready po, ready.
Ready po, file tayo po.
Heal me, heal me.
Kailangan ko mag-reset ulit ng battle man.
Heal me. Ready? Keep going.
Ready.
Ready. On me now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 now. Huge. Dead. Puta ka na, naklight agad. Keep going.
Yay,
Keep going. Demon. Dito ko lang pa. Demon. Girat.
Ay, gago.
Kambak na. Keep going inside. Guys, keep going inside. Go inside the castle. Patch lang, para makapunta kayo, Patch.
Yung sila kaya buhat.
Patch it.
May laman pa, buhatin mo na.
Patch it. Kita mo yung purple. Patch. Kikidnapin ako nito, heal me. Heal front. Siyempre, pulang. Dali tayo dun sa vent, gago. Tayo na dali. Pull out, dito kayo mag-pull out guys. Sa west side, basag yan eh. Makahuli pa rin kayo.
Goods pa rin.
Good set. Asan yung bangko? Di nata natin kasali sila Alik doon eh.
Nasa itsyo na.
Nandito na sila, Icho.
Siyempre, ang kampang kayo.
Pagka-open, pok, nag-out na kami. Pagka-open ng wallet.
Kailangan. Kambang.
Paano may ipit tayo?
Ha? Hindi, good lang. Good shot, good scope.